Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So as I promised to you, we will going to publish our app there is a one more play console. It's not in India, it is in Russia. So I'm going to publish our app in the Russian play console. The last time also we have been showing you one of the console that, and now this is the second console that we want to publish our app in the play console where we can able to publish our app, and it is a free of course. You can also even sign in and it's very easy format. If you have any problem or any doubt, please let us know. So this is a root store. This is console name is RuStore's console. So here is the, so we already been activated our account and we have been signed in and we completed all our KYC. So this is the thing. So here is asking the feed details. So before that, let me show which application we are going to publish. So last time also we published this app, so we will going to publish this app. As you can see, the Jaws game which we have been published last time. So just add the image here and asking universal the phone, tablet or TV. Very good. This format is really helpful for the developers who work for the TV or the tablet or for the industry, but it has been very easy that I have been completing here. If you want for a TV, you can click on a TV, but I need for a universal mobile TV, mobile tabs and TV also I require, and it's asking free or paid. So my app is almost will be free only because we use only the monetized by the ads only. So it's not been a much problem will be there, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so what we will going to do, we will going to, so first we will going to copy our app name. So we have been copy here, and we go here and we will going to paste it our app name and add it. In the Google Play Console is required the 30 character, but here is given as a 50 characters. So the first, it's been saying it's not published and it's a free and these are things. So now here we need to go and we have to do our setting things. Just click on our app and it's, oh my god, here has so many things. It's, they haven't completely tried to optimize like exactly the Google Play Console. So that is okay. Let this is also been new experience for us. So just an example also is given. So app information. So it's been upload the version. Okay, here directly they ask for the upload the it's asking that the APK no larger than 5 GB and all those things. It's decently. Oh, in key store not uploaded here. The there is all one more option. I see this is completely signing the key is not uploaded. The Android app bundle is required the sign in key. If you don't have anyone, please on the APK version. Okay, it's asking ABB or ABB file. So we have a both files. So I will upload like a ABB file here. The key store calculator not been uploaded yet. Okay, I have a key store also. Oh my god, what is this? Unexpected error. Oh, I think we need to upload our key store first thing. So what we will going to do? We will going to. So I think the key store we need to upload here. Is asking download the dbk tool and exit the tool. Use the command to run the tool with the following command, which is explore the encrypted private key. Okay, they upload the generated zip file and oh my god, it has so many things. Okay, so first we have to download this file. Oh, exactly what is given in this file? Picture uploaded the generated zip archive. It's been such a complicated thing. I'll let's see. Let me okay. Let me upload the key store file here. Let's see. Oh no, it not given any key store file here. Yeah, here key store file is a no. It's a wrong format. Okay, what it say? Run the tool with the following command, which is explain the encrypted private key to submit the augmented enter the valid. I think the key store also we can able to use here. Just wait a minute. Let me check. Okay. The new version. Then it's been save as zip file is here. So I don't think so. I think PMB file we have here. It says that boot of clarification. Okay, this we can able to export here. Generate the okay. Export the clarification is here only there. So PM file. So I will try to upload on desktop. Okay, this been exported. Now we need to have. Oh, sorry. I have been exported wrong file, and here we need to upload as pm.pm file. We have to export like dot. I will just use on desktop only dot pm file. Okay, it's done, and there is a one file they haven't mentioned here. I don't know what is that exactly. Key store export and okay, here I don't understand, but let me submit this PM file. Wrong format it says. Okay, let me check. Here is any work. Oh, it's been taken. Thank God. Oh, it's clarification side. Okay, just submitted here. Oh, it's been written as been some what it says. I need to use a translator for this. Privacy key is not found. Here, what it says privacy key only. No, it's why it's been asking. I think we have to do some zip file here. For that, I will try to. No. There is a something is not right here. Provide the key is not found. Actually, click and try again. The Java par Java key is to restore alliance with the output of a generator. Okay, can we? Oh my God, it has been very stick here. Okay, I will do one thing. Instead of ABB file, I will try to use the IP. APK file. So for the APK file does not require any kind of a sign in key or anything. Let me wait and see what it will going to do. So ABB file I have been uploaded. Let me see. Because the ABB file need to upload the key store. So right now I've been uploading as APK file. So let's see if what it says now. If it is any error, then we can able to tell. Why it's been taking such a time to hear? The version need to be uploaded here. So just wait here. Okay. The ABB file as APK file has been uploaded. So ABB file I have been not uploading because it need to be do the signing in the command for a mandated. So no need to be added. And it's been asking for data safety. I think it's been completely in the okay. It's asking the data safety device ID. Okay, it's like in a same like in a Google Play Console, how you have a contact form that data which we are been taking. It's asking. So as I'm giving only data, a prominent example contact information we are getting divide ID information. Okay, we are taking this one. Phone number, social ID. No, 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 no. These all those things we are not taking. No, we are not taking, only taking the diagnose and bug reports we have been taking here. Rest, that's it. Rest of things we are not taking. So, and app name for a user. So, non-gamer, it's a game. So, it's a game. I had no login credentials in the game. So, that's the thing. You have any credential, then you have to give the user ID password. As here, this app, this is what the app names look like in the window. You can always change it. Okay, for an example, okay, I need to write my app name as it is going to show in the display. So I will write it the name. Okay, okay. Then it's asking for a main category. So that main category is puzzles only, and additional information: action, shooting, role, casual, racing, paid music, casino, indie, gamer with VR, board game, family. Oh, it has some unique way the sports light. Casual, it is a very big. So I will use the casual only. Age restrictions, always I will try to keep it 18 place. It's up to you. And oh, tag is been optional, but it's up to you. Battles, but bubble shooter, I will keep it. So it's kind of like that only. Drawing, economy, fantasy, fighting, family, fishing. Gambling game? No, it's not in a gambling game. Pro legal game, illegal game, cart. No magic, match three. Yeah, match finder. Okay, match objects, match pair. Okay, again, it's exactly the tag section as given the Google Play Console. The same thing. Gaming contact lailing of actual stacks in purchases where it's in the optional. It's better I use only the normal only because I'm not using anything like that. Yeah, of course. In a purchases also it's not very much thing. So here is a short description. So I will just copy the short description and paste it here. and rest is long description. Okay, long description. Okay, and the media file for folder, like icon of the image and app category. Okay, so okay, the icon for the my image. So this is a logo. This is in a logo. Is uploading 5 by 5 12, the same size which we have been using for the mobile, and it's asking is a portable game or landscape one, because my app is a portable game, so I need to keep the portable only. So now I will use the images. So let me add all the images which I want to add here. If the images has been not taken, again I need to replace because I don't know which size I am been using. So that's the reason. So it's been taking now, so it's nothing to be worried about that. So usually what you are using for the Google Play Console, those images only you have been required here. This not nothing is a rocket science here. Is a simple thing only. And you have any screenshot of the tablet if you required. I think I have taken some of the screenshots. I hope it will going to work out. Otherwise, I will going to leave it off. It's an optional. It's not been a mandate. If it is a mandate, they will going to show you a star mark, and it is a video, and the category is an optional. It's up to you whether you want to keep it or not. Okay, image is done. Video is it's optional, and the publishing version is automatically or manually. So I keep only automatic. That is a very good thing. Submit. So pending is mandatory, as mean it's your app has been in review. Okay, after the review you will going to get a mail, and how you will going to get a mail that the confirmation your app has been live. If it is any changes, we will going to upload you. Okay, I hope you people like our video. If you have any confusion or any doubt, let us know. We will going to tell you, and we will going to fix it out. Thank you so much.